Welcome all. Today we see Python. Introduction to Python. What is Python? Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language which is created by Guido van Rossum. Python is an simplest language in which syntax are very easy to use, and it is specially made for the one who are very beginner level for programming language. Why Python is called as an interpreter language? Because it works with an interpreter. There are much difference between interpreter and compiler. In compiler, it's use previously compiled files for executing a program and lists it total errors in a single output. But whereas Python is run by interpreter, which directly gives the output of the entire program. What is simple syntax? Syntax is nothing but it is the set of rules. For example, we consider a cricket game, whereas various rules such as various players and number of balls in an over, like that, here are different rules to be followed. Why Python was created? The Guido van Rossum, who created the Python, was worked on an Amoeba operating system lab in the Netherlands company named Centre en Wiskunde and Informatica (CWI). He was worked in the year of 1989. He already worked in the area of Amoeba operating system, in which he faced a lot of difficulties to handle the calls of that system, and also lot of complaints received from the co-workers and their customers. So in order to remove the faults and overcome the faults, he thought to create some program like ABC just to overcome the faults in the current programming software. So he thought to create a new program, and finally he created a program and named it as an Python, and which is easy to understand for everyone. The new program overcame the previous drawbacks. Why it was named as an Python? Few people believe that Python is named after a dangerous snake, but the fact is it is wrong. The name was implemented by the famous circus show. At the time of 1970s, there was a circus show named Monty Python's Flying Circus. He was very addicted to the circus, and he read the novels of that program, and he is very attracted toward the name, so he thought to keep the name for his newly created language. So finally he decided to keep the name as Python. Features of Python programming. By comparing the other language, the Python programming is easy to learn and it is easy to code. It is available free and it is open source. Python is an portable language. It is extensible and embeddable language. It is high level interpreted language. It is object oriented language. It consists of large standard library to solve common tasks. For example, you can use some features stored in the library for repeated tasks. So you no need to code newly. Applications of Python. It is usually used for web development, game development, etc. The Python program uses framework of Django, Flask, Pyramid, Clone, Django CMS. These are various framework used in Python web development. These frameworks are packed with standard libraries and modules so that you can save lot of time for programming. It consists of internet protocols like HTTP, SMTP, XML, JSON, FTP, IMAP and POP. Python frameworks are very strong in security and it is very flexible for beginner level users. And one more application is game development. As I mentioned earlier, Python loaded with many useful extensions like libraries. So it is very helpful for development of interactive games. For example, libraries like PySoy. It is a 3D game engine which is used for game development, which supports Python 3. There are 2 Python based libraries widely used for game development. For example, the popular games like Battlefield 2, Threads of Fire are created by using Python programming. Apart from game development, game designers are also used Python for dialect recreation, etc. And it is also used for scientific and numeric applications. As I already mentioned that it has collective database inside this library. So it is used for creating 3D modeling software like AutoCAD, FreeCAD and file and element method software, which is created by Python. Reasons to choose Python as a first language. It is user friendly, very easier for beginners. Simple, elegant syntax, which means the rules for coding is very simple and it is easy to create a program. For example, consider A equal to 2, B equal to 3, A plus B equal to what? 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So your task is to add two numbers, one is 2 and another is 3, which comes output as 5. In Python, you simply type A equal to 2, B equal to 3 and sum equal to A plus B, then click print sum. It will show the output. See here, in top image, I written the program for addition of two numbers, A equal to 2, B equal to 3, sum equal to A plus B, print sum. The output is shown in the shell at right corner as 5. Then now come next to next image. It is the C program. In C program, you have to bring the objects, you have to bring in the layers, etc. for a program. For whatever program you start with the C program, you must to include standard input output stdio and int main and integer number 1, number 2, print two integers. It consists of lots of steps while comparing the Python. In Python, it comes under 2 to 3 steps for bringing an output. But in case compare with the C program, for adding the two integers itself, two integers means number. For adding two number, it consists of 6 to 8 lines of programming. And one more thing in Python, even if you not enter the comma at the end of the line, also it produces the output. For example, see the image a equal to 2, b equal to 3, sum a plus b, print sum. You get output as 5. This is the simple difference between Python and C language. You might be think easy while comparing C. Python will be easy. Next, come to software companies using Python. There are 8 world-class software companies that use Python. Industrial Light and Magic, Google, Facebook, Instagram, Spotify, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox. These are the 8 world-class software companies. Importance of Python for mechanical engineers. Of many areas into mechanical, one of the areas is programming. Programming can be used for developing 3D models in CAD tools using basic VBA and many other programming languages. This helps mechanical engineer to automate and customize the CAD softwares to reduce the time taken for designing a drawing, such that it improves the productivity of a designer. Also, note down that Python can be useful for solving thermodynamic problems. It is also useful for vibrations and dynamic motion and simulation and modeling engineering. Mechanical and automobile engineers use the Python to automate the tasks in production and shop floor management. These are the various job profiles for Python. Once you complete the Python course, you may be join the various roles of these job profiles. If any other doubts, you can mail me for my mail ID. Thank you.